Northwest Missouri State banded together with the University Police Department and Northstar Advocacy Center to make sure students are protected and heard as they take back the night last Tuesday. Wellness Services hosted the two organizations to raise awareness to the threat of sexual assault. To raise attention, students of Northwest fraternities and sororities attended the meeting in Bearcat Arena, learning the tools that they have at their disposal. One of the presenters, Officer Wesley Bertha, took time to teach students of Northwest self-defense techniques in case they need to defend themselves in a dire situation.
Well, I think you only want to use those techniques in worst case scenarios. I don't want anyone to have to use the techniques that I teach. So it's kind of the worst case scenario. That someone would have to physically defend themselves from another person attacking them. It's incredibly rare, but not impossible, right? So I think the possibility of it happening is enough to train and enough to learn some of the basic techniques that we went over.
Northwest is furthering its time into teaching students to defend themselves from threats to make sure that students can go wherever life takes them and feel safe during the journey. This has been Zac Scott with Northwest News.
For more Northwest news coverage of this event or for other KNWT content, be sure to check out our channel or the links in the description below.